Alright, my people, we are so back. Day 9, we're almost at day 10. I had a OA yesterday at this company, and dude, like, all this like daily practice has been helping a lot. Like, I actually got like one of the questions that I wouldn't have otherwise gotten, because it was pretty similar to um like the well, to be honest, okay, so there were 4 questions, and I got the first one. It was not bad. Second one, dude, oh my god, bro. So like, you know how I first started with C++, and then now I'm, kind of learning Python as we go along, and that's kind of like the transition I made from C++ to Python. So here, let me show you. Hold up. Man. So like, if I have like 10 divided by 3, right? Or like, let's say I have 3 divided by 10 actually. This will give me, in Python, give me 0.3. But if I want, if I want to do like what I wanted yesterday in the question was I wanted to go like 3 divided by 10 equals 0. Because I wanted to do integer division. But in Python, you have to go like this, 2. And I forgot. I just forgot. And I was like, bro, I'm like sitting there for like an hour. Like, how do I do integer division? So I was doing stuff like, I was like, wrapping it in ints and stuff. But man, it just didn't like that. But it was just like really stupid, like small little mistakes. I would have done so good. I think there were 4 questions. I know for sure I would have gotten at least 3 of them. Cause like the other one was like but it was some crazy stuff. Like at least like I haven't done it so far. Um, but yeah, dude, I'm kind of like, it's kind of good. Like all this stuff is helping. Let's do this one. Best time to buy and sell stock. Best time to buy. There we go. It was good. It was a good learning experience, I guess. I know what I need to do for next time. Though it would have been nice. Would have been nice if I did good. Let's see what they say. I guess there's still some time before they can get back, but bro, I did pretty terrible, so I wouldn't be surprised if they didn't get back. Given an array prices where price is I is the price of a given stock on the ith day. Okay. You want to maximize your profit by choosing a single day to buy one stock and choosing a different day in the future to sell that stock. Return the maximum profit you can achieve from this transaction. If you cannot achieve any profit, return 0. Buy on day 2 and sell on day 5. So is it just like I'm just taking like I guess it's just finding the difference. But why wouldn't you do like, oh, day 5? Yeah, okay, that makes sense. So you want to find like the first smallest number. Well, you want to find the smallest number, and then you want to find the biggest number after that smallest number. But what if you find a smaller number? Does it just mean like, because I guess what I'm seeing right now, it's like both the index and the element have to be greater. So like, you can't have, for example, on this first question, you can't do this because while yes the element 7 or like the value 7 is larger than 1, the index is 0 and 1, which is like 0 is less than 1, right? So okay. So I just do like right. Let's see this int, no, not int. Should just be able to do like prices. Using index based array because I wanna be able to go to the I wanna be able to access different elements at the same time. That's a good question. I should ask if it's possible. No, but in oh I didn't mess I messed up. An element based loop. Yeah. Whoa. Does that mean like it gives you multiple elements at the same time? That's kind of cool. Yo, there's so much stuff, bro. Like this is what I would think of. I'm gonna do that one because that's the one I know right now. And I think I'm gonna have to learn sliding window at the very least. Prices -1 because we want to go to the last one. Well, do we want to go? Because if we buy on the last day, then it can't do anything. So we want to go to the second last one. Okay, now we got that. Now now what I have to check is that like, hey, is well, okay. If so, I need to find one where the element, well, the element is always going to get bigger. It's not like you can go backwards. So first, I just need to find the smallest number in the array. Now, the problem is I can't just sort and find it. That would be what I usually do. Because if I sort it, now I need, like, I'm losing the days. The days are all messed up, right? So can't do that. maybe if I can just do if prices okay, let's make it the lowest price. Let's make it not 0. Let's make it the first one in prices. Let's start with the first one, okay? Initially. We should probably do this outside so we're not doing this every single time. So let's say we set the lowest price now. We have some lowest price. We're starting there. Now, if the lowest, no, it's not English. If prices I is lower than prices 0, lowest price equals prices I. Okay? For I in range prices 0, this will give us the lowest price. Okay. Now we need to find the highest price. Lowest price. Highest sell price. Highest sell equal, let's just call it prices 1, whatever. So now how will we do this? We need to make sure this is where this is where the highest price has to be greater than the lowest price, has to have an index that is higher than let me write this out. Highest price should have an index larger than the lowest price. Okay. So if highest, come on man, if highest price, highest sell, how do I check the index? Could I just how do I check the index? Maybe something here. So every time the lowest price changes, yeah, I only need to check when the lowest price changes. Because if the lowest price doesn't change, then it doesn't matter. I don't need to change the highest price. So when the lowest price changes, now I need to see hey, is the highest price after the lowest price? How would I check that? If yeah, I think this is good. If maybe, you know what I should do? I should just hold the index of both. Highest sell index. And then I just hold the index. Let's just call it 1. If I how do I do this? we have the lowest price. And now every time after the first, like, once I find the lowest price, the only things that can be the highest price has to be the rest of them, right? So once I find the lowest price, now I don't need to check anything before that. I just need to make sure the index of the highest price that number is greater than I, which is the lowest price. Highest sell index greater than something is I. If it's greater, good. But what if it's less than or equal to? Now, if it's less than or equal to, now I need to find a Would it actually be better? I'm just thinking now. It'd be better to do a -1 for cases like this. Because if it's at the end, it will automatically skip as many as it can until the end. Whereas if it's like if the order is the other way around, it will have to like reassign on every single step. I think. Let's see. I know that like I'm gonna return highest price is going to be the highest sell index. No. It's going to be prices highest sell index. Let's see what we're missing. idea occurs before the sale, let's work through logic and refine your lowest price initializing. We should consider starting with this is interesting. Oh, what I need to what? How am I looping backwards? Okay. Okay. How would you no way, man. Oh, wait. Alright, know what? Can I not just instead change the highest sum when I find the largest number and also has an index larger than the implementation yet, because initially no profit is possible. Why can't I just set it the last number? Yeah, I think my logic should still work. So we're tracking the lowest price. For each price, calculate the potential profit if we sell the stock on that day. For each price, calculate the potential profit. Calculate the potential profit. Current price. So this makes sense. Profit is greater than how would I find current price? Oh, like by doing like prices. Yeah, but that doesn't even make sense because every time I do this, it'll be 0. And if it doesn't update, would it be the other way? Can I do like max, minus, and then every time the profit is greater? Now, what if I did that, bro? Like, what if I just... This is I. If max profit is greater than, then we're good. Then we don't want to do anything. If max profit is less than price is I minus lowest price. Oh yeah, because range automatically. I forgot about that. Okay. So, oh, I messed up here. So we find the lowest price first. Then we're like, okay, now I have a new lowest price. Now I have a new lowest price. So now let me see if this new lowest price is giving me more profit. But every time I have a new lowest price, it's gonna give me 0. Because I'm only comparing it to the current one. Bro, how does that make sense? Let's just try the normal. Let's see what happens. Now we have the lowest price. Now I check like, hey, if this doesn't work, then am I getting a bigger profit? If I am, then make max profit equal to prices I minus the lowest price. Okay. Prices I is less than lowest price. Got it. Now I found a new lowest price. Now I'm checking, hey, now that I have a new lowest price, is the max profit greater than? No, is the current price minus the lowest, so am I getting more profit now with the new lowest price? Right, because if I have a new one, what about this? Because if I have a new lowest price, I can just move to the next one. I don't need to change it again. Oh my god, bro, why do I have that? Gave 6. Why? Oh, this is what they were talking about. Make it like float inf. Yeah, I had a feeling it was gonna. Man. Okay, let's see. Oh, is this because I'm not going to the last one? Because I guess I still need to go into the last one to figure out. I need to go to the last one to figure out if to set this. Let's try that. 1,2. There we go. Just submit again. Hey, let's go. That was good. That felt good. Let's see what ChatGPT has to say. Let's go. Okay. Oh, this is cool, dude. Okay, I was gonna say this anyways, but I guess now we know. Okay, but wouldn't? Let's see first. Oh wow. Wait, removing? Oh. Wow, I'm surprised. Oh yeah, else if would be better, I guess. That's a good point. That's from yesterday. Okay, let's go to solution. That was pretty good. I think today was a new personal record. should have used else if. That's smart. Well then, it's O-Van because we're looping through everything in the array one time. Just want to make sure there's no mistakes. Good point. Nice, dude. Also, like, yeah. Nice. We are done. That was pretty nice. 52 minutes. But I think we actually finished. We could have finished a little bit earlier. But, hey man, day 9. We're doing good. Almost at day 10. See you tomorrow.